Hi, good afternoon everybody. This is Sean Doyle with MarineMax over here in Pompano Beach, Florida. Today I'm going to do a quick video walkthrough of the 2016 350 Sundancer from Sea Ray. This 2016 has the 8.2 big block engines, which are 380 horsepower apiece. This is a V-drive straight shaft with bow thruster. Kind of give you a quick walkthrough video, show you some nice features of the 350 Sundancer. As you can see, some really great seating arrangements, nice U-shaped seating, fiberglass table, wet bar here on the starboard side with 12-volt refrigerator and electric grill from Kenyon. Freshwater hot and cold shower wash off. Large extended shade across the back. Electric is, of course. Dual helm seat, large port side lounger, beautifully designed moonroof. On this 350 we have a nice center walk through to the bow. You can see at the bow we have a really nice bow cushion, also 2 speakers, great for entertaining. Beautifully designed helm from Sea Ray. You see the digital throttle system also with your bow thruster here. Trim tabs, everything you would need for easy docking. Dual helm seat, you can see with the flip up bolsters. Custom embroidery from Sea Ray. Kind of give you a general layout. Alright, going down into the cabin. You see a great seating arrangement down here as well. Beautiful hardwood floors. You have an optional salon table here, which is teak wood. Here's your VIP. Of course, it does have curtains that come across to give you a little bit more privacy. All sorts of cabinetry throughout the boat. Sea Ray's done a great job. We've added a lot of long windows throughout the entire boat. A couple skylights on the roof as well to really give you some natural lighting down here in the cabin. Flat screen LG TV. Stairway back up into the cockpit. Here in the galley, another refrigerator, double burner, microwave. Once again, plenty of cabinetry for all your utensils. Going into the head, it's a wet head, so you do have capability to shower off here. Very good size. I'm about 5'11", good height throughout. More windows. Vacuum flush head. Coming back into the midberth. Sofa to kind of change. Nice size, full-size bed, which does convert into twins if needed, maybe for the children or another couple. Another good look at the actual layout. Alrighty guys, well that's a quick walkthrough of the 350 Sundancer from Sea Ray. Have a good day.